Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make deep fried beef. The first thing I'm showing you here is this little cutting board trick here. If your cutting board is slipping around, you can use this non-slip stuff right here, and your cutting board won't slip around so much. Now all I'm doing is cutting here these boneless beef ribs. I got them on sale. That's one reason I have them. They were too expensive for me. What I'm doing right now is frying the first piece of beef. I'm doing one at a time right now, just to see the method, because this is a new method to me, because this is from my friend Sanguine. I don't know how to say his last name really, but I'll show a link down to his channel in the description. He does cooking videos as well, so yeah, check him out. But it turns out that this was too big. You wanted to cut a lot smaller than this. I cut this again in half, and again those were a little too big as well, but they cooked all the way through. They were just a bit chewy. You want to cut it even smaller than that, so I was told by my friend Sanguine. As you see here, I'm doing it even smaller. Now I'm putting it in a lot better, and they cooked all the way through. Like I said, they were just chewy, but they were still very, very tasty. You just want to fry them up. It's about 3 minutes. You know, so yeah, about 3 minutes. This should be cooked all the way through, and you do want to probe them just to make sure, depending on your rightness. Now I do like my meat cooked all the way medium, little tiny bit of pink. No, this was a great method of cooking boneless ribs like this. There's gonna be a video after this that shows you what I used it for. Well, most of it. Now I do recommend you check out Sanguine. He makes really good videos. Now his videos are longer than mine, but he does very different stuff. Yeah. So of course, you want to be careful when frying food, because it can burn you and splashes back at you. And after 3 minutes, this stuff comes out really good, nice and crispy. The color of the meat, oh, it's so beautiful looking. And I recommend trying this at least once. Just try cutting your meat thinner and smaller, so it's more bite-sized than I did. Just watching it as it boils off a bit more. You see me taking it out pretty soon here. Yeah, there you go. Tasty, tasty, deep fried meat. Oh wow, what a thing I never thought of doing before. I don't know why I never thought about this. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.